Hi everybody, have a right on day. I be sounding so country. I'm going to check out this Mustang in person, the one that y'all see in my video. Sorry y'all if I was so rudely interrupted by somebody's phone ringing. But you see it, the white one, 2 videos back, I believe, or is it 3? All right, a couple videos back, or like 2 videos back, something like that. I'm going to check it out in person just to see if it may be something I'll be interested in buying, maybe in a few weeks or something. That's a project. Still have the Tiburon, haven't put it up for sale yet. Trying to figure that out. But I'm gonna check this Mustang out just to see if it's something I'm interested in. I know the boy already does have a lot of the parts for it that need to be fixed, like the fender, the bumper, and a few other things, and then something, but he said as a cold air intake that goes with it, that doesn't fix the car, so I really don't care about that right now. But we're gonna check it out. I'll go back to recording once we get there, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. You said you got a truck?
No, you go to Logan.
Oh, okay.
But I have parts for it. I have a new bumper, a new fender, a new door for that side, because this is how I got it.
Okay.
All the tires are good. That door won't open, so there's a different one for that. I have a different door. New headlights, new this. When I went to go get parts, my grandfather paid for this, a new one of these.
Okay.
But we couldn't get it off.
The crash bar.
And also a cold air intake, which is.
So you bought it from somebody like this?
Mm-hmm.
They must have hit something hard, huh?
Yeah.
They said the crash bar doesn't look to be like messed up or anything.
And I have a new radiator fan, new radiator, which is back here. And then there's the liner from the hood and all.
Okay.
Back
Things
here.
right here. Is it a clean title or is it a salvage title?
I believe it's clean.
Right there. Dang, they was really. Damn.
And then when I went to go get parts, the guy just gave me stuff he didn't need because he had Mustangs as well.
Right.
He gave me that. Cold air intake, radiator fan, radiator,
Okay, yeah, I see.
and then if you want, I can go grab the other parts so you can look at them.
Oh, no, don't worry about it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk it over with my husband and see what he thinks. He come with lots of, got all the parts.
And I'm gonna clean it out because when me and my cousin went to go get it, it ran.
Mhm.
It started, ran. My cousin drove it up on the trailer, but
Okay.
it was having trouble because of the way the bumper
Right.
was laying.
Okay.
And I've had it for about August. Yeah, August.
But the guy, did he tell you what he hit? Did he say?
He said he hit. I believe he said he hit a either a tree or a light pole.
Dang.
So,
Wow, he must have been drunk or something. Dang.
but yeah, this is technically my first car.
Oh, wow.
I'm not even of age to drive yet. But
Dang.
I still got a car.
Yeah, I was about to say you look young.
Only 15.
Dang, wow.
Me and my sister both have cars.
Dang, 15, that's good.
And we got them ourselves, too.
That's good, yep. Appreciate it more than.
Yeah.
Well, I'll let you know. I'm gonna show this video to my husband, and I'll talk over it with him. Yeah, I'm like, he probably gonna give me the side eye. But I was like, I got freaking Central still. I gotta finish, and then I got a tip run. I gotta get finished.
So do you like buy cars and then fix them up?
Yeah. Like I'll buy some and fix them up and sell them, or I keep some. Yeah, so you got hit real good here, y'all. What y'all think?
But all the other parts are like different colors.
Get it.
So.
Yeah, they can just get painted. Then got to do the hood.
And I was going to get a new hood for it as well, but the dude wanted $500 for the hood.
Oh
so
wow!
Like, you see how this is? It was like a scoop.
Oh yeah, I love those. Yeah, he definitely hit that hard.
I believe he also said that there's like it doesn't have the original radio. Well, it does, but it's not hooked up. The radio it has is a Bluetooth radio.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I'll definitely talk to him and let you know something. Get back with you. Let me see here. Yeah, not too bad. That's your truck over there too?
No, that's one of my grandfather's friend's dad's truck.
Oh, he's like fixing it up or something?
I think it's restored here because his friend's dad passed away, and he asked if he could store it here because his friend lives in Virginia. And
oh wow!
His dad lived down that way, so he just stores it here.
Dang, bad. I appreciate you showing me. I'll let you know something and get back with you.
Okay, sounds good.
Definitely need a hood.
And when the dude showed me the title, it has like 140 some thousand.
Mm-hmm.
So I just estimated to 149 because I couldn't check the battery.
Okay.
I will either have to jump it or charge up the battery for you.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. That's not too bad.
And then the other headlights, they're like tinted.
Okay. Oh, that's a replacement bumper and all of that, so that's cool. Alrighty, well, I appreciate it. I'll let you know something probably a day or two.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so that was the car. Let me know what you guys think about it. Leave a comment below. Okay, so as y'all can see, the car has a lot of damage and a lot of severe damage. Looking down under there, it looked like the left part of the crash bar was bent a little bit, and then also you see where it's cracked in several places in the video. If you're looking at the front right side, and it has start to have some surface rust, like right here. If you look at that part, and also the radiator support, like I said, is slammed. The boy was like, "Oh, we couldn't get this thing off right here." So you can see it right there. And I was just like, no. And then he said something like, when they tried to put it on the trailer, I guess his uncle or cousin, the wheels wouldn't turn. So I was just like, oh no, that's not good. So I let him know that I was gonna pass on it. And I'm like, I'm not even fooling with it. But yeah, so as you can see, it did come with a lot of parts. You see the cold air intake right there. But that's not enough to fix the car. And like, there's a lot of damage that you notice when you go see things in person rather than just looking at pictures. And I was like, for the price, I can go get one in better condition at Copart. So yeah. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all on the next video.